Welcome to Car Magica, your trusted channel for the latest reviews, detailed specs, and in-depth insights on cars, motorhomes, and automotive excellence. Today, we explore the jaw-dropping 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a groundbreaking fusion of hypercar DNA and five-star luxury living. Known for redefining speed and prestige, Bugatti now ventures into the motorhome segment, crafting a mobile masterpiece that turns every journey into an event. At first glance. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome demands attention with a design philosophy rooted in aerodynamic brilliance and unmistakable Bugatti flair. The exterior features sleek sculpted lines, an oversized horseshoe grille, and the signature Bugatti badge on a custom-engineered carbon fiber chassis. Owners can select from exclusive paint finishes, including two-tone configurations inspired by classic Bugatti models, striking LED matrix headlights, 23-inch forged alloy wheels, and power-operated entry steps complete the performance-inspired, upscale appearance. Beneath its sculpted shell lies an electrified W16 hybrid powertrain, seamlessly blending world-class Bugatti power with modern efficiency. This powerhouse delivers smooth, effortless acceleration and a serene driving experience, ideal for long-distance touring. Adaptive air suspension and active ride control ensure occupants enjoy a ride worthy of the Bugatti name. Whether cruising highways or exploring remote routes, with intelligent all-wheel drive and custom driving modes, the Bugatti Motorhome is built for adventure without compromising luxury. Step inside and discover an interior that rivals the most exclusive penthouses. Crafted with hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber trim, and customizable ambient lighting, the living space feels both sporty and sophisticated. The interior is cleverly divided into zones: a lounge area with fully reclining sports-inspired seats, a high-tech kitchenette with top-tier appliances, a refined master bedroom featuring a king-sized bed, and a spa-like bathroom finished with marble and an overhead rain shower. Technology elevates the experience further. A fully digital cockpit offers real-time navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and AI-powered climate control, paired with intuitive voice commands. Entertainment includes a premium surround sound system and multiple OLED screens. Always connected, the motorhome features 5G connectivity, satellite communication, and remote access through your smartphone. Smart home features let you adjust lighting, temperature, and appliances from anywhere on the road. Safety is built into every detail, with advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Added peace of mind comes from integrated fire detection, real-time tire pressure monitoring, and onboard security cameras to keep watch whether you're parked or traveling. Ultimately, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's an engineering masterpiece and a statement of automotive artistry. Perfect for those who demand hypercar heritage alongside ultimate comfort. It transforms every road trip into an unforgettable luxury escape. Whether navigating city streets or unwinding by the coast, it promises every moment feels special. If you enjoyed this deep dive, remember to like and subscribe for more exclusive content on luxury vehicles, motorhomes, and the latest in automotive innovation. This is Car Magica, your destination for expert reviews and the world's most exciting vehicles.